a situation whereby they have turned roadside into garages. Of course, it's not permitted. So there is no peculiarity. The simple fact is that they constitute a lot of environmental nuisance and they are carrying out a lot of environmental infractions on a daily basis. Aside that, this is where they live, this is where they work, this is where they have their toilet, this is where they have brothel, all on the road. No.
Following the rising number of illegal communities springing up along Atlantic Ocean shorelines, the Lagos State Environmental Task Force and Special Offences Agency has commenced the demolition of illegal shanties across Mawa waterside on Lekki Coastal Road. Task Force Chairman Shola Jejeloye says, apart from obstructing the right-of-way, they also constitute environmental and security challenges to the communities.
This is where they live, this is where they work, this is where they have their toilet, this is where they have brothel, all on the road. No, all on the road. I don't think this is permitted in a sane society on the road. Everybody is supposed to have a good place where they live and another place where they do business. At the end of your work, you go back to your house. But this place, you have the brothel, you have the house, you have the business place, you have where they hide even or they enjoy their criminal proceed from criminal activities. So in a very sane society, we are not supposed to experience this. You can see we are on the road. See the number at our back. See the number of activities going on behind us. So it's not permitted.
The chairman noted that the illegal structures and abandoned vehicles were also being used as hideouts for robbers operating in traffic.
They go now. Táwọn journalist máa sùn nínú òwe tí a ti máa dé lẹ́kí tó máa sọ pé àwọn ti dá tó